Listen to me carefully. Your English does not define your intelligence. Your accent does not define your value. The only thing standing between you and fluent English is fear, hesitation, and lack of daily practice. Some people wait years to speak confidently because they are afraid of making mistakes. But winners understand one thing: progress comes from practice, not perfection. If you can spend 30 days scrolling on your phone, wasting hours watching random videos, then you can spend 30 days transforming your English and transforming your life. Today is the day you stop saying, "I can't speak English." From today you say, "I am learning, I am improving, I will become fluent." Because fluency is not magic. It is repetition, confidence, and daily action. Most people spend years studying English but never become fluent because they keep avoiding the most important thing: speaking. They memorize grammar rules, watch hundreds of videos, and read books, but when it is time to speak, fear takes over. They become nervous, shy, and silent. The truth is, English is not learned by staying quiet. English is learned by using your voice every single day. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking. You do not need a perfect accent. You only need courage and consistency. The more you speak, the stronger your confidence becomes. At first, your sentences may sound broken. You may pause often. You may pronounce words incorrectly, but that is completely normal. Every fluent speaker once struggled exactly the same way. Start small. Speak English to yourself while walking, cooking, or getting ready in the morning. Describe what you see around you in English. Read simple paragraphs aloud for 15 minutes every day. Practice introducing yourself again and again until it feels natural. Your brain learns faster when your mouth participates in the process. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to speak fluently. Fluency is built during uncomfortable moments. It grows ever. Why time you try, every time you fail, and every time you continue despite embarrassment. Fear disappears only through repetition. Many people remain stuck because they worry too much about what others think. But successful learners understand that improvement matters more than perfection. Every conversation, every mistake, and every effort is helping you grow stronger. If you dedicate yourself to speaking daily for the next 30 days, you will notice a powerful transformation in your confidence, pronunciation, vocabulary, and communication skills. Mistakes are not your enemy, silence is. The biggest reason people never become fluent in English is not because they are slow learners, but because they are afraid of getting it wrong. They overthink every sentence. They translate word by word in their mind. And by the time they are ready to speak, the moment has already passed. That habit destroys progress more than anything else. You need to understand something very clearly. Every fluent speaker you admire once made countless mistakes. They mispronounced words, mixed grammar, forgot vocabulary, and still kept speaking. They did not wait to become perfect. Before they spoke, they became better because they kept speaking. Mistakes are not failures, they are feedback. Each error is a signal telling you what to improve next. When you speak incorrectly and someone corrects you, that is not embarrassment, that is education in real time. You are learning in the most powerful way possible through experience. Books can teach you rules, but only speaking teaches you confidence. And confidence is what actually makes you fluent. Stop treating mistakes like something shameful. Instead, treat them like stepping stones. The more mistakes you make, the faster you grow. A person who speaks 100 wrong sentences will improve faster than a person who speaks none. If you want real fluency in 30 days, you must accept discomfort. You must speak even when you feel unsure. You must continue, even when your mind tells you to stop. Because every time you push through embarrassment, you are building a stronger, more confident version of yourself who is no longer afraid to speak in any situation, anywhere in the world. Discipline is the bridge between your current level and fluency in English. Motivation will inspire you for a day or two, but it is discipline that will carry you through all 30 days, even when you feel lazy, busy, or distracted. Most people fail not because they cannot learn English, but because they cannot stay consistent. They start with excitement, then slowly stop practicing, and finally return to the same place they were before. If you truly want to speak English fluently in 30 days, you must treat it like a daily responsibility, not an optional activity. Just like brushing your teeth or eating food, your English practice must become a non-negotiable habit. Even on days when you feel tired, you must still show up and practice, even if it is only for a short. Our tea time, consistency matters more than intensity. A powerful approach is to divide your daily learning into small actions. Spend time speaking out loud instead of only thinking. Learn a few useful words and immediately use them in sentences. Listen to English content while doing daily tasks so your brain stays connected to the language throughout the day. Repetition is the key that trains your mind to respond naturally instead of translating everything. Do not wait for the perfect mood or perfect environment. Discipline means doing what is required even when conditions are not ideal. Some days your speaking will feel strong and some days it will feel weak, but both days are important for growth. Progress is not a straight line, it is built through repeated effort over time. When you commit to 30 days of structured practice, something powerful happens inside your mind. English stops feeling like a subject and starts becoming a natural part of your thinking. Words become easier to accept. Sentences become smoother. And hesitation slowly begins to disappear because your brain has been trained through constant use and repetition. Your environment decides your progress more than your talent ever will. If you are serious about speaking English fluently in 30 days, you cannot stay surrounded by silence, hesitation, or your native language comfort zone all day. You must actively build an environment where English becomes something you hear, see, and think about constantly. Because the brain learns languages through exposure, not pressure. Start by changing what is around you. Switch your phone language to English so you begin interacting with it naturally every day. Watch English videos, interviews, and conversations instead of only relying on content in your native language. Even if you do not understand everything at first, your brain is still absorbing patterns, pronunciation, and sentence structure. That exposure slowly builds familiarity, and familiarity turns into understanding. Listening plays a powerful role in speaking. When you hear English regularly, your brain starts predicting words before they are spoken. This makes it easier for you to respond without translating everything in your mind. That is how fluency begins to develop naturally. Try to bring English into your daily routine. Think in English while doing simple tasks like walking, eating, or planning your day. Even if your thoughts are basic, it trains your mind to stop relying on translation. The goal is not perfection, it is constant connection with the language. Avoid environments where you only consume passive content in your native language all day, because that keeps your brain locked in the same pattern. Instead, mix English into everything you do so your mind adapts faster. The more exposure you create, the faster your confidence grows and the more natural speaking becomes in real situations. The final truth you must understand is that 30 days is enough to change your direction, but only if you fully commit to the process without excuses. Many people underestimate what can happen in a short time because they are focused on long-term doubts instead of daily action. But if you consistently practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English every day, your mind begins to shift faster than you expect. In the first few days, everything will feel difficult. You will struggle to find words, your sentences will feel slow, and you may even doubt yourself. But if you continue, something powerful happens. Your brain starts adapting. Words come more naturally, sentences start forming faster, and hesitation begins to decrease. This transformation does not come from theory, it comes from repetition. Imagine yourself 30 days from now. You are no longer afraid to speak. You are no longer stuck searching for words in silence. You can express your thoughts with confidence in interviews, conversations, and daily interactions. This version of you is not far away. It is already possible, but only if you stay consistent today. Most people fail because they quit too early. They stop right before improvement begins. But those who succeed are the ones who continue even when progress feels slow. They trust the process instead of their temporary emotions. If you want real change, you must take responsibility for your growth. No one else can do it for you. No teacher, no video, no course will replace your daily effort. You are the only one who can build your fluency step by step through action. Your future speaking ability is being decided by what you do today, not tomorrow.